Hi, are your chickens dying? Are you losing chickens? Are you wasting money on vaccination and yet you see no results? Today, we'll be talking about 5 mistakes new chicken farmers make and how to avoid them. Welcome to Better Farm and Herbs, and you are very welcome to this show. Today, we'll be talking about poultry farming, which is our emphasis will be on chicken. Thank you. Come with me. Number one mistakes farmers make is the wrong breed of chicken. And what are the solution? The solution is that you pick the right breed for your goal. Are you breeding it for eggs or for meat or both? Another solution to that is to research the best breed for your climate. E.g., is the place cool or warm? Another solution to the mistakes, to the first mistake I mentioned, is avoid buying random chickens without knowing their purpose. So that is solution for number one. Number two mistakes farmers make is poor cooping design. The housing for the chicken is very important. Solution to that is that each chicken needs at least 2 to 3 square feet of space. And good ventilation is a must to prevent diseases. So the design of the house for the chicken is very important. And also how you design your house is very important because predators, the kind of material you use, is very important to build your chicken coop in order to put the foxes out, the raccoons out, or snakes trying to get into your chicken house. So poor coop design is one of the mistakes that most farmers make. Now, number 3, feeding the wrong way. Most farmers feed their chicken the wrong way. And what are the solutions to this? Balanced feed. Protein for growth, calcium for eggs, and vitamins. Avoid common mistakes like too much corn, making them fat and not productive. Another solution to that is fresh, clean water is just important as the feed. If you want more eggs, boost their diet with leafy greens and oyster shields. Number 4 mistakes farmers make is that they ignore the health. They ignore health issues. And what is solution to that? Check for signs of illness, the pale comb, dropping wings, and bad poop. Another solution to this is that quarantine new chickens before adding them to the flocks. Another solution I will suggest is that deworm and vaccinate to prevent common diseases like Newcastle and coccidiosis. So chicken health is very important. Most new farmers doesn't observe that. The 5th solution is this. 5th mistakes farmers make is they are not planning for eggs overload. And what are the solutions to this? Have a plan to sell, store, or preserve extra eggs by putting them in the freeze. And too many eggs, give some to your neighbor to build a very good community. Trust me, you don't want a fridge that is full of eggs with nowhere to go. Thank you so much. This is the 5 tips for every new chicken farmer and how to avoid all the mistakes that I've mentioned. Yeah, so thank you so much. As you keep following us, today we just did a short clip on our chicken farm and how you can be able to avoid such mistakes, because most new chicken farmers face a lot of challenge. I could remember when we started, I put somebody in charge of the chicken farm, and a day we lose like 96 chicken because of lack of care. And I know out there are lots of farmers who face the same challenges. Please, the housing is important. Observing the health the health issues of your chicken is important, and how you build your house is very important. And the climate, check what is the temperature in the housing of the chicken and where you are situated. All those things are important. Please don't forget. Please, for more eggs and more meat production, whatever you do, please, the chicken health is number 1. Please don't forget about the clean water aspect. It's very important. Give your chicken clean water as much as the feed. If you do that, you will have a great production. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and look out for more videos that are yet to come. Thank you and see you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Please don't forget to click on the notification button. Whenever we upload videos you will be notified.